Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here and welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. This video I'm going to discuss about the scanner which I have created yesterday, and unfortunately we can't test it with it today. So huge fall today, more than 8% in HDFC Bank, that reflected on Bank Nifty. So more than 2000 point, and Nifty is near about 460, 470 points down today. So overall negative day. Yesterday we created a scanner. It's for to find out a Camarilla R4 breakout in first or second 15 minutes. So maybe downside we are not created yet. So if you are looking for a downside move, so unfortunately yesterday we created it was not right one. So we are looking for those stocks which are going to give you some opportunities in downside. So only two stocks which I have just find out based on this scanner. So yesterday based on Camarilla R4 breakout. So 15 minutes high less than and the second 15 minutes high greater than. So only we have two stocks, one is Alchem Laboratories and another one is about ACC. Okay, so these are all the two stocks which I find out. So let me go for Alchem, whether it is works or not. So maybe due to huge down, that second candle which breaks the high and not moving well, and maybe if your R3 or pivot that can be triggered. And second one is ACC. Only two stocks we got it based on this concept, and that one triggers, and then finally it triggers your stop. Then it bounces, it goes down and it breaks below the S4 also. But we are not yet created that S4 breakout because it is a different scanner which you have to create. So today, so let me this video, and I'm just creating the Camarilla S4 breakout. That one which we are looking for a put side entry trigger. Okay, so another one more important thing is about today. So the low must be greater than. In this case, I'm just looking for a Camarilla S4. Previously, we are looking for a Camarilla R4. Here, we are looking for a Camarilla S4 on the first 15 minutes. Let me check this one. So we don't find many stocks today. Just we are going to use the futures and options. So only few stocks, almost 66, and let me go low less than almost 119 stocks, which is breaks the low, or it is in the first candle itself, it is lower, the low of the particular day is less than like HDFC Bank is still many stocks, even Bank Nifty, Tata Steel. So if you are checking, so many stocks in the first 15 minutes itself, it is moving down below the Camarilla. Yes, for you can look at the Tata Steel, which is breaks below 134 and it came down in a first candle. So almost 119 stocks which opens below due to that huge gap down. And HDFC, which you are looking for, that is also it is started below to that level only. So R4 is there and market is started below. So many stocks which is open below, but here we are just going to find out that should be low greater than the first 15 minutes low. So we have only 66 stocks. After that, whether the stock is given you the breakdown less than Diego Camarilla S4. Previously we used on the second candle, we don't get any stocks, and any third candle. Granulus is the stock which we got it on a third candle. So based on our Google sheet, so let me check Granulus. Granulus. Yeah, Granulus. The entry strike price is 430. So based on our Google sheet, so Granulus 430 put option. And here the third candle, it triggers our breakout point of 15.6, and maybe the pivot stop loss 11, or if you are keeping the stop loss on R3, that may be triggered. Here it is about triggered on third 15 minutes candle, and that level is not broken and it is not moving well, and exact level is 15.65, and the next candle 16.65, 1 rupee, and then it came down to 13 and maybe trigger your stop loss, or if you're keeping a pivot as a stop loss, and closed with 16 rupees. So maybe that is the only stock which we find out based on this particular scanner. So it is about a downside breakout here, the stock breaks the downside S4, but in option that put side which breaks the Camarilla R4. So that you need to clearly understand that concept. So the call option, if you are looking at a call, here the condition is, and let me check any fourth candle. Why? Because of many stocks which moves down and granular Sun Pharma on fourth candle. So let me check whether Sun Pharma is right. So let me check Sun Pharma on fourth candle. So one, two, three, to fourth candle only it is breaking the low. Okay, so let me check Sun Pharma here. Sun Pharma 1130 put option. So 1130, I think data is not available. Sun Pharma 1120 put option. Liquidity issue or whether right 1310. Sorry. Check price. This one. So on the downside, the stock which broken the lower level, fourth candle, and here the call option, which is sorry put option, which breaks the Camarilla R4. That is happening on third candle, third 15 minutes candle around 10 o'clock. So 18.7, and it went up to 24. So here today it is an entirely different market. So huge gap down, and it is keep on falling, and Bank Nifty also took more than 2000 points. Nifty more than 400 points. So in this case, most of the stocks which you open a gap lower, but in this scenario, we are going to find out with this scanner that may be helping you to find out. This is what the scanner for a put side. So again, I tell you here what we are looking with our intraday Google sheet, simply whether it is a call or a put, which breaking the Camarilla R4. So if you are looking at in the put side, many stock which is together, and maybe most of the stock which is happening in the gap down, maybe Tata Steel 137 put options. Let me go to check Tata Steel 137 put option opening itself. So the first candle itself will trigger. So most of the time if it is happening on the first candle, so it may be returned back. So that's the reason we are simply ignoring, and this kind of breakouts. Okay, second candle may be a valid one, so which we can focus. So the simple logic with the two scanners, that a previously created scanner which already shared on that Google Sheet group, the student who are using that. If anyone who missed on that, so you can just ping me. If you are using my Google Sheet only, that scanner will help you. Okay. So the condition, simple logic condition is for breakout. The first thing, the stock which is breaking the R4, and we are comparing the call also going to break the R4 level. Okay. So let me for example, the stock break R4 by using a charting scanner, the call also breaking R4. Okay, so this is the first one, first scanner which I already created, and stock breaks below S4 support 4, that is based on Camarilla, and here the put option we are looking for R4 breakout. So both the cases with our Google Sheet we are looking for a R4 breakout, either call side or a put side. But how do we find out that stock breaks the Camarilla R4? That is what I call one, and the stock breaks the Camarilla S4, that we are looking for a put side. Okay, so previously I created a scanner for a call side, and now I just created for a put side. That is also going to be updated on our that Google Sheet users group. So those who are watching joined on our Google Sheet, so I will share you that link. Okay, well, if you and fourth candle or fifth candle, so if you want, you can Sun Pharma again fifth candle. Okay, so any sixth candle. So I think it is not available, so we need to create it. Second candle, we don't get any stocks because many stock which triggers that one. So third candle, we may be finding a one stock is about a granulus. Third one, granulus. I think we checked it, not working. So remaining stocks like Axis Bank, Kodak Bank, so maybe it is already opened by gap lower. Let me check whether Kodak Bank. Kotak Bank. So look at this, already opened below the R4, and it is keep on moving down. And Axis Bank is the one more thing. Axis Bank, and that is also open below, and initially it bounces back, but this area it has taken a support as a resistance and then a return from that level. So that is also happening in axis bar. So those were working key the Camarilla levels, but we need to try to find out by using our scanners and screeners to make our like the searching the stock is very easier, or finding the opportunities in stocks very easier with this particular scanners and screeners that we are starting to always helping you better than other things. So we can easily, but no other platform which is providing you the scanning in directly stocks. So but even we are our Google sheet also we are created with a complex formula, and finally it is working. So this is what a call side where we are looking for, and here is the put side, so where we are looking for. So which you can use for this particular Google sheet. And monthly also we are looking for a positional trade opportunities. We have some stocks like Adraj up to some up to IOC into Petro that was giving you more than 20%. And in downside also some stocks, maybe some of the stocks doesn't provide you the opportunity. I know you know well how to use it. So after 9:30 we can look for a fresh breakout. So that may be helping you to find out opportunities. And mixed view, the first 15 days slightly range bound and we find some stocks. And second 15 days there is a 17th today, so almost a big fall. And let me check and wait what is going to be happen in the market. So based on the concept you can apply. So one stock which triggers our stop loss is GNFC, I think. So maybe that is also some recovery based on our Google sheet and advanced option strategy concept. And finally, from 791 and then return back to 736 today also. So today many stocks which fall. So let me check tomorrow. So what is going to happen? So this is what a scanner update. So this is also the scanner which I'm going to share you in the group. And thank you for watching. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update. Thank you so much.